name is Peter Keller. I work with Hyundai Motors Europe Technical Center, and my job here at the Technical Center is in the perceived quality area. The field of application is for scanning interior parts. Mainly we are looking at seats, front seat, but also rear seat. Artec is the first 3D scanner that I'm using. Actually, Artec is the solution for getting digital information, so it's a new process for us, and therefore, everything is brand new. Most important to us is that the scanner is very easy to use. It's a handheld portable device, and we can actually use it at different locations. We actually use only the Artec software at the moment, and then we transfer it to our colleagues that have other software for 3D, which is however outside our usage. The difficulties in the beginning were to use the right scanner for the product that we look at. For example, we started off with a very small scanner, the S scanner, and we just had to realize that for a product such as the seat, even for the details, it would be too fine and therefore too difficult to handle. We are now using two different scanners, the M scanner and the L scanner. The L scanner, we're trying to do the large surfaces and also give the contour, first of all, a kind of frame, and then we try to blend in the details where we have, for example, switches or buttons or levers on the side of the seat, for example. Mostly two different cases where we have the seat inside the car or we have the seat outside the car. If we have time, then we take the seat out of the car because for accessibility. We are starting with the L scanner to scan the seat from 4 or 5 different angles, and we piece these different parts together. And finally, when we have a rough frame, shall we say, of the overall seat, we then take the M scanner and scan for details such as the levers and the switches on the side, and we then integrate that into the main frame, and then we merge the maybe 6, 7 or 8 scans that we have during development phase, because we are giving it sometimes a different shape and we want to compare the different shapes. For example, if a seat is not comfortable enough, we give it a different contour, maybe different foam, and therefore the dimensions and the contour of the cross-section will change, and we can then compare the previous stage to the improved stage. We think that the process is therefore more reliable, and what is also very important is to give it the objective opinion, really. So we have measures instead of only subjective evaluation. So this is actually very good for making a case for a certain contour of a seat, for example.